This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Friday, the 17th of May. I'm Michael Groff. An absolutely glorious day out there across the valley. Temperatures statewide around 15 to 20 degrees below our climatological averages. How long can this anomalous and frankly bizarre weather pattern continue to last? We'll talk about that and everything else going on too. First, we'll take a peek at the almanac from yesterday. 94 degrees was the high in the valley. 73 was the low. That actually occurred at 11:59 p.m. Outside right now, believe it or not, at 10:30 a.m., it's mostly sunny out there, a little breezy, 72 degrees officially at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 34, humidity 25%. Winds at the time of observation were from the south-southeast at 6, but we have winds gusting to around 15 to 20 at times. And the barometer is 29.87 and steady. Temperatures across the area right now, 58 at Thompson Peak. Otherwise, we're in the 60s and low 70s across the area. Satellite picture across the west reveals a trough passing through the Intermountain West and out into the Plain States. Another short wave is getting set to descend here across the Great Basin and into the southwest. That'll happen later this weekend, and we'll talk about that. The watch warning map, we've got wind advisories in parts of the west, flash flood watches in a few locations in the Pacific Northwest and over parts of South Dakota. Severe weather outlook for today, the enhanced risk of severe storms around San Angelo, Texas, Abilene, as well as near Norfolk and North Platte, Nebraska, the standard slight risk for a good portion of the nation's heartland, and as well as parts of Ohio, West Virginia, and Pennsylvania. Precipitation outlook valid through next Friday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts here in the valley, probably nothing. Upwards of 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch for the northwest plateau of our state as our bizarre weather pattern continues. We'll break down the details of that now as we take a look at the models, checking it out. This is the GFS. It's the 12Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. Troughing here across the western states, and that's pulling down plenty of cool air across the desert southwest. So down at the surface, mostly sunny skies in the valley today. Yes, it will be breezy, but not nearly as windy as it was yesterday. High temperatures, upper 70s to about 80. Yes, will be 15 to 18 degrees below normal. Tonight, clear skies with a relatively dry air mass in place and those winds dying down. Lows will be in the 50s in most spots, near 60 in the urban core. The normal low is 70 degrees. Tomorrow, a mostly sunny day. Temperatures a little bit warmer, highs in the mid-80s, but that's still well below normal. On Sunday, we've got another system dropping into the Great Basin, and some moisture is going to get drawn northward with this feature. Enough for scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms over northern Arizona. Here in the valley, I think the day is cloudy, a lot of mid-level moisture around, and there might be a sprinkle someplace, but I just don't think we're going to see any rain, or at least not measurable rain here in the valley. High temperatures in the low 80s. Monday, that system moves off to the east. Cool air filters in behind it. It'll be breezy, partly sunny. Isolated showers and thunderstorms for the northern part of the state. Here in the valley, we're dry. High temperatures mid and upper 70s. Get out and enjoy it. Tuesday, we're kind of between systems here. Highs upper 70s and low 80s, partly sunny skies. Kind of the same thing for Wednesday, but here comes another piece of energy, and that's going to keep temperatures below average. Thursday, we still have troughing over the western states, and that's going to keep temperatures below normal. Temperatures will warm up a bit. We'll be back in the mid-80s likely. And again, some clouds, but I think the sky here in the valley is mostly sunny. Here's a week from today. This is Friday the 24th, and look at that. Troughing still over the western states. Heights below average. Therefore, temperatures below average. Highs likely somewhere between about 85 and 90. And then check it out. Going out 10 days. This is the end of the period. Sunday the 26th. Another upper low, a pretty deep, cold upper low moving into the southwestern United States. And if this verifies, high temperatures remain well below average. In this scenario, we probably would have highs again struggling to get to 80, and we could have isolated showers and thunderstorms around, especially again for northern Arizona, but maybe here in the valley. The bottom line is temperatures aren't looking to get all that warm anytime soon if the deterministic models play out. Let's check out the temperatures through the period off the GFS ensemble, and it keeps us well below normal for a while. The ensembles they do tend to take temperatures closer to climatology the further out you go. But we'll just have to see. That remains to be seen based on this unusual weather pattern that we have going on. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here on Monday morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Your comments, questions, and suggestions are always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Have a great weekend, everybody.